quite dumb. Dead, dead, a tomb must cover thy sweet eyes, these lily lips, this cherry nose, these yellow cowslip cheeks are gone. Lovers make moan. His eyes were as green as leeks. Oh, sisters three, come, come to me. With hands as pale as milk, lay them in gore, since you have shore, which shears his thread of silk. Tongue, not a word. Come, trusty sword, and come, blade, my breast endure.